How to automate new keyword suggestions. Now, why is this important and how can it make you money? Well, you probably know your top 5 or 10 keywords off of the top of your head, right? Well, here's the thing. Customer behavior on Amazon is always changing and people are constantly searching for products using new keywords. So how would you normally figure out if your competitors are ranking for new keywords you weren't tracking before? Well, in the past, you might have used Cerebro, Helium 10's reverse ASIN tool, and maybe you'd run it daily, weekly, or twice a month on your product or a competitor's, then filter the results and look for keywords ranking in the top 10 or 15. And then you might compare those to the ones that you've tracked and add new keywords that you have found. And now there's nothing wrong with this process, but it is a tedious process. Now, what if you could automate it? Helium 10 is running Cerebro for you and will notify you when you or your competitors rank for new keywords. So let me show you how. Okay, so let's go ahead and go into Helium 10. And this is our keyword tracker. And this is where we've already put in our products and the keywords that we want to track. But there is something else that you can do in here. And I'm actually going to just expand this down right here. And this is one of our products that we already added in here, and go to suggested keywords. Now, this is where you are going to be able to kind of program this to give you some specific keywords that are related to your product. So if you hit on customize settings, this is where you can do it. So this is for based on your competitors. So finding keywords that your competitors, for example, first of all, the search volume is between 400 and, it's unlimited. So you can say between 400 and 800 if you wanted to. So a certain search volume range. And then my product's rank is, and then I have this blank because basically I want to see where I'm not ranking at all. And then also the number of selected competitors ranking for that keyword. So at least one competitor is ranking for that keyword. And the organic rank for those competitors is minimum 1, maybe maximum of 20. So basically we want to see, at least a rank of 1 to 20 organically. And then we can also do keywords based on my product. So you can also alert me when my product meets any of these thresholds. So if my search volume, like I put in here, is between 500 and, there's no limit to that. And then organic rank between 1 and 10. And then you can also do based on keyword sales and also word count. So this is how you can basically track your own keywords as well, because you might be showing up for some new keywords that you didn't know, and then you can actually put them in the rank tracker to see your progress there. So instead of, tediously searching in Cerebro every day, you can set up this automation and check in every now and then. And if new suggested keywords show up, you can track them and see how you're ranking. Even if you're not ranking very high, you'll be able to take action.